Okay, so I left work about half an hour ago, and this is what it looks like. Let's go outside in the snow. There's my car, getting covered. See, the road is getting all snowy. I should probably look for my cat, too. There's my house. Little cottage. Elm Street. Yeah, it's kind of yucky out here. Alright. Oops. Here goes a car. He's gonna go. He's totally embarrassed that I'm filming him. Alright. Totally unexpected snowstorm. But this is Oregon. This is what it does here. Let's go in my house here.
Four-wheel drive, pull out of the driveway. With the SUVs and everything else like that, but I can't.
Oh, we're all gonna die. Peace.